Okay, so in today's video, we are going to be looking at 7 different online side hustles that can make you over $10,000 a month. Now, these are all legit ways you can actually earn the money, and they're all proper businesses. I'm going to go through them one by one and explain a little bit about them and where you can actually go and start setting these up. But if you think these are simple and easy to do and you're not going to take any hard work, then obviously you might as well click away from the video right now. There is going to be work involved in this. This is something that you're going to build up to $10,000 a month. It's not going to just happen just like that overnight. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump across. I'm going to go through them one by one and show you 7 online side hustles that can make you over $10,000 every month. Okay, so the first hustle that you can start today is by doing online coaching courses. And this can be about any niche that you want. You could be a dog trainer, you could be a web designer. There's loads of different things that you can actually do. If you've got a skill, or if you wanted to learn a skill, then you could then turn that into a course. And you could use sites such as Kajabi, where you can actually put your course and then sell it from there. Another site called Thinkific, and again you can get a free trial on that one. You've also got Teachable, which is a very good platform to actually put your courses on, and also you could also build your own online courses with something like Thrive Apprentice, which is a WordPress plugin which you can obviously integrate into your possible website if you wanted to. So as you can see, loads of different ways that you can actually start and sell online courses. But definitely online coaching is a great way that you can actually build a business into a sustainable, highly profitable monthly income. So number 2 is Amazon FBA. This is one I've actually done personally. And this is the FBA side to Amazon is their drop shipping. Now, I had my own Amazon FBA business a few years back, and I actually was hitting numbers like that. It is definitely possible, and we only had 2 products, guys. All you've got to do is, like I say, you've got to source a product. Okay, so we sourced ours from China, and then we had it shipped from China into the US. And I'm actually in the UK, so I never, apart from getting a sample of the product through, I never actually saw the product, never had to ship it out, never had to deal with any refunds or anything like that. Amazon do everything for you. Now, obviously, they take their cut. You've got to allow for that in your pricing, and also allow for possibly some advertising you're going to do to get yourself up to the top of the rankings in Amazon so you can be seen. Because obviously, it is only the first sort of probably 1 to 2 pages that people will scroll before they actually then say, oh, I'm going to buy that product. But it's totally doable, guys. Obviously, things obviously have been pretty rough out of China the last couple of years with the pandemic, etc. But that's all opening up again now. So you will be able to probably use that way again that I did a few years back. I know people that are doing tens of thousands of dollars every single month through Amazon FBA. Again, remember, this is a business. You're going to start from scratch. You're going to need some upfront money to buy the stock from China. And obviously then, and like I say, probably do some adverts on Amazon to get it rolling. Once you start getting it rolling, then it will obviously feed itself to the top of the rankings as well. And as long as you get good feedback for your product, things like that, so make sure you choose the right product. And there's no reason why you just can't keep replenishing that and then obviously adding different products at the same time. I would always start with just one product and then introduce a second product, etc., as your business gets going. But definitely an easy way to actually earn $10,000 every single month with this business. Okay, now the third side hustle that we're going to talk about, we're talking about freelancing. Okay, and there are great sites out there where you can start a business from next to nothing doing freelancing. And these are sites such as Fiverr. You've also got things like Upwork. You've got People Per Hour. Loads of different sites. In fact, I've actually done a video about Fiverr and also some other freelancing sites. So check that video out at the top there. For more on the freelancers. But this is very, very simple to do, guys. And you would need to, again, have certain skills already, or maybe you'd have to learn those skills. But Fiverr, for argument's sake, if you just take Fiverr, loads of different things you can actually do. There's graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming, tech, business, lifestyle, and a new one here, AI services. And I'm going to talk about AI a little bit more in the next side hustle. But with Fiverr and freelancing, you could do certain different things. So if you, for argument's sake, were good at writing and translation, you could set up LinkedIn profiles, for argument's sake. Now, you'd probably have to have various different gigs, which is what they called on Fiverr, running at the same time. So again, it's something you start and then you'd slowly build it up, okay? So it is a business that you would need to work, and it would be time consuming because obviously you would be doing the work, or you possibly would be able to outsource it. But as you can see, optimize your LinkedIn profile, starting from about $100 a person, okay? And they just for this gig alone, they've done over 300. You would, in order to get to your 10,000 a month, you would have to obviously do multiple gigs here on different subjects, but it's certainly doable. And you'd pick subjects that you could obviously charge $100, $200, maybe $300 to do a particular task. So we're nearly halfway through now, so if you're loving the video, loving the content, don't forget to whack the like button for us. That's going to help us in the YouTube algorithm. And also, don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the channel as well, because then you're going to get more videos like this, which is helping you make money online. Okay, so let's go to number 4 now, and number 4 is ebooks. And I'm just going to leave it at that, guys, just ebooks. And it also incorporates a couple of things I've already spoken about. Now, we've already spoken on this one here about AI services, but what you can also get these people to do, certainly the one called ChatGPT. So again, a ChatGPT, there are loads of different things you can do with that, and one of them is you could create ebooks very, very quickly. Now, these could be ebooks about recipes, it could be about, again, dog training, anything you want, any actual product that people would be looking to buy, okay? And then you could actually use a platform such as Amazon, that you can actually put them onto the Amazon website under the books, and then they would be delivered, and everything would be done through Amazon. So you could do that, or you could put something on your own website and even use the Thrive Architect to build a shop front and everything on a WordPress platform, and use something also such as WooCommerce or Shopify very, very easily to deliver these products. But again, I know people that are literally selling thousands of copies of ebooks, and of course, once you've made one, it's totally downloadable because it's just a PDF, so it can literally be downloaded. You haven't got to actually create any more products. You haven't got to obviously hold any stock or anything like that. It is very, very easily to do, and very easily to scale up, because again, you could start with one book and then you could build a whole library of books about similar products or about totally different niches. And again, you could quite easily, if you were only, for argument's sake, if you had an ebook that was only $10, but if you sold 100 a month, that is going to give you $1,000 every single month. So if you had 10 products, as you can see, it very, very easily can be scaled up to the $10,000 every single month. So becoming an ebook creator is another great side hustle that you could easily use to get yourself to $10,000 every single month. Okay, so number 5 is become an affiliate marketer. Now, obviously, I do a lot of affiliate marketing at the moment as well. And there are so many different products out there that you could use to promote and actually get to this $10,000 every single month. Now, you could promote what I call residual income products. That means that obviously a product that is obviously going to be charged on a monthly basis. So once someone signs up for that product, and these are usually software or maybe membership sites, that sort of thing. Once they sign up, there's a possibility they're going to carry on paying every single month. So once you made one sale, then all of a sudden, again, you can make that very, very easily the second month, third month, etc. And your business grows exponentially by doing that. The other way is to actually promote high ticket products, and these would then pay you, or could pay you, sort of $5,000-$10,000 for just one sale, depending what it was in. A product that actually got people to invest in gold, okay, and I actually got a percentage of the people that invested, okay. So if you got someone that actually wanted to invest maybe at $200,000 or $300,000 into gold, instead of having it in their pension fund, then I could get a percentage of that, which could mean I get $5,000-$6,000 just for that one person. So it's totally doable, okay. And there are various niches out there that you can actually get involved in on that. So make sure you check that out. If you actually wanted to start affiliate marketing from scratch, a good place to start is the OLSP Academy. Wayne Crow, who himself has made over $15 million online over the years, now teaches people how to start and scale their business using affiliate marketing. And you can go through the free training, and obviously he does show you other ways as well, and ongoing training. Plus, you can upgrade and then obviously also earn by actually referring other people to the training academy as well. So it's a great way to start where you're actually learning and you can be earning at the same time. And again, this can be scaled, and there are people on his academy that are making $10,000 every single month, okay, and he's actually only been going a couple of years. So it just goes to show you how easy it is to actually scale this business up. And affiliate marketing is a growth industry at the moment, as more and more companies are getting into affiliate marketing and they want other people to do their advertising for them. In other words, recommend their products. So affiliate marketing is another great way scale a business to $10,000 every single month. Now we've got two more to go. The second to last one is YouTube. It's probably a site that you've been on regularly now. You might have looked up certain things, searched for something. You could also be following so many people, you already subscribe to channels on YouTube, where you could very easily start your own YouTube channel. And of course, it's not something these days that you have to have your face on the channel like this one. Unfortunately, you don't have to do that these days. You can actually start a faceless channel very, very easily. And I know people that are earning, well, I've got my own YouTube channel, which is earning me income every single month and building very, very nicely. And I think the most I've got out of it so far is about $4,000 in a month, but it can easily be scaled up to that magic $10,000 every single month. My YouTube mentor has got about 9 different channels, and he earns over $100,000 every single month. But you have to do it the right way. You have to learn from someone that's already done it. Don't try and do it yourself, because you will fail miserably. Again, with any sort of business, invest in yourself. Go and spend $1,000 on a course, which is what I did. You get all the mentoring with it. You get someone who's actually going to walk you by the hand and actually take you through the whole system. And like I say, mine is building very, very nicely at the moment. What I have got, my mentor actually gives away a free webinar training, which will actually give you quite a little bit of information that you'll need to get up and started. And I'll leave a link in the description below here to that free webinar. And if YouTube is one that you want to get involved in, then check it out. Like I say, it's free to sign up to. And then if you think you can, if you want to go even further, you could always hook up to his, I know he's got a couple of different courses that you can actually start as well. So the final side hustle we're going to talk about today is creating a blog. Okay, so if you're into writing, you might have a passion that you are looking to write about, and you know that other people are going to be interested in it, and there are products and services that you could sell from your blog. And if that is the case, then blogging could be for you. Again, it's something that you can start relatively slowly and build it up. And also the costs are not that much. You could get going for probably around about $50 a month. You could be up and running and have your own blog and business starting to generate income. Now, obviously, with blogging, again, it is something that takes time to get going, okay? But if you look at it as a long term, a year to 18 months, then you should start to see the profits coming in. And you probably might even see profits before that if you are using maybe some free traffic, such as social media traffic as well. And if you've got a good presence on social media already, then there's no reason why you can't start selling products and services, or even your own products and services. Or again, you could integrate affiliate marketing in this as well, where you could promote other people's products as well and get paid for that. But if you're interested in blogging and you want to get started and you think, I don't know how to build a website, I don't know how to do it, anything like that, a great site that I've used in the past and I'm still a member of their site now is called Wealthy Affiliate, and this will you can join and create a free account. And then they'll go through step by step creating your website and telling you all about the different ways to build it very slowly, and it goes through the whole system for you. Plus they have weekly Q&As, weekly webinars and trainings and all that sort of thing. So they bring you up to date every single day, every single week, and talk about different subjects. And there's a whole community of people that if you do have questions you can ask as well. So you're never on your own. And again, I know people that have actually, although I've made money with my blog, it's not something I've concentrated on, but I know people from Wealthy Affiliate that are making tens of thousands of dollars. Don't even have to sell anything on your blog to actually, as long as if you get a lot of traffic on your blog, you can put what they call ads on your blog. Okay, so you can put Google ads and other companies' ads on your website, and then when people click them, you will get paid a small commission for that. And again, that alone could earn you a few $1,000s every single month. So guys, there is 7 different side hustles there that you could start today. Some of them you can start for free. Some of them you will need to put money into, such as Amazon FBA, because you need to buy the stock. But as long as you've got the time, you've got the passion, choose the route you want to take and just focus and give it a couple of years to grow your business. And before you know it, you'll have an income of $10,000 per month. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make more videos. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.